Oh. Okay, so there are 5 parts to this assembly. Okay. So we're gonna do 4, E, and E. Alright, so let's take out 4. Oh, I found E. E's in the sack. Sack of tools and letters. Oh, E's are cute. Okay. They're like the little feet. Because it's gotta have feet. Oh. Okay. Hi. Oh. Oh, that's the bend. Hi. Oh, you're pretty. Okay. I'm excited. 13 and 12 with E's, right? 12, 13, E's. 5 E's. Okay. Come on, y'all. She wants me to do 5 E's and E's, and I'm like, you could have just done. You could have just told me 4 and 5 E and E. 12 and 13 E and E. Dun 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 dun. Okay, you look like you'd be a 12. Yeah, you're a 12. I love that. Alright, and then you come over here. Next we're gonna screw 6 into 4 and 12. And we're gonna screw it with B. B. A, C, D. Where is B? I found the B. This is B. Okay. So 4 and 12. This is so fly that the key is also a screwdriver. I love this. Get inside of my box. Oh, hold on. Let me screw my box. Oh, hi-oh. Now I'm going to take 8 and I'm supposed to hammer it in here. Well, I didn't think I need to hammer it, but hold on. Aren't the teeth supposed to fit like that? Yes. Oh, let's go up. They said hammer, so I said bam, bam. Then you gotta go again with B. And the knot. Like the engine. Engine, number 9. On here, a transit line. If my train falls off the track, I know I'm in New York. No, I'm stop. Alright. This is an interesting one. Because, like, the teeth have to align. I've never in my life. Interesting system they've mustered up here. I don't know how I feel about it, but it works. Alright, so we're gonna live and learn here, y'all. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Let's be Christ, my eyes. I can't wait to get my new glasses. Well, I got A. Alright, and now we take number 10. No. I'm building a desk. Okay, you going to bed? Okay. You feel brand new? Careful.
Ay,
Careful,
mira,
careful.
qué rico ahora. ¿Viste? Ahora se me viste. Ay, papi. Yo estoy allí jugando y tú aquí armando un desk. Lo dejo quieto, va. No me bañé. Mira, me puse una crema, mira.
Yeah.
Nice.
You feel soft, right? I love that shit.
Yo tengo mi esponjita en mi cuarto.
Okay. Back to our last B's. B&B, Airbnb. And we do. Now for 2 and 1. We use the rest of the A's. Put these pieces here. And there you have it, y'all. A brand new desk and a brand new flow and a brand new vibe. So we can make some more fun popping videos. Y'all, that was actually not that bad, but it's like 3 in the morning, so I'm exhausted. So it was a little tiring, but all in all, it wasn't difficult. The instructions were easy to follow. The pieces were simple. You get all the tools in the box. And I got this on Amazon. It was maybe like $116 or something. I don't even know. Maybe this one was a little bit more. I got a bookshelf that was a little bit less, but I don't know. Competitively, I feel like it was very well priced. It's very sturdy. It looks freaking beautiful. I'm excited to start using it and organizing my stuff on it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, for unboxing this with me, and for building it with me, y'all. As always, it's Groovy Tony. Smash like, smash subscribe, ring that bell, and comment below.